we go. Louise. Let's see here. Upload stats.
Tell me, how do you expect
Holy
this to end?
honkin' knockers. I forgot about those.
Into my hands.
Don't be naive, Roddick.
Fell
I
into
know
those
this
honkin'
man.
knockers more like.
Trust me, he knew exactly what he was doing. Is he ready for the procedure?
The tech says he's ready to go. Are you sure this is what you want, Alexis? We should just put a bullet in his head. Hell, I'd be happy to do it for free. Your pal and I have some unfinished business.
Your lack of vision is your greatest weakness, Roddick.
I don't know what this guy's
You
beef
should
is,
know
but
better
I'm
than
ready
anyone
to duke
that
it
I
out with
get
him at 3
exactly
a.m. at the Wendy's
what
parking lot over who's gonna be the next
want.
god.
Besides, my dear Roddick, I don't want Blade dead. I
Yeah,
have much
they didn't
bigger
have to
plans
animate them
for him.
titties. They didn't have titty physics.
Take care of him.
When this game came
I'll be
out,
back
so they
when
had to
it's taken
manually do that.
effect.
I don't know what she sees in your Blade. To be honest,
The
I
source
don't
engine.
really give a shit. You see, one day, you and I, we're gonna finish things.
She just wants my massive
How did you
dinger,
get in here?
dingus.
Damn, Blade, how long are you just gonna wait around? Don't worry, you're gonna be fine.
We're
We
supposed
just
to be
need
the police, right? So why did they just
God.
start shooting
What
everybody
did they
the second
inject
they
you with?
bursted in?
We've got to get you out of here.
I'm
We
not
gotta
sure.
go now.
I guess that guy does look like a bad dude. I think I'm gonna have to make the picture for this video is just gonna be this.
Take him out.
It's just gonna be her butt. If I can actually get 2 seconds of it not moving. I think that was it right there.
Blade, get in.
You get it. Just met you. I don't know why I'm being sassy with her, dude. I need a Snickers. Oh no, not the wet dream sequence.
Blade, you're
Oh.
awake.
Oh,
Whoa,
okay,
take
I
it
think it
easy
was
there. Meds should be kicking in soon. Ought to take some of the edge off.
I don't think there's a
Well,
cure
the
for
good
what
news
they give
is
me,
the
dude.
operation's
I've got
lifted.
HIV
You've
from
got a
whatever's in
tracker
that
on
needle.
Roddick. Good thing too. He's the only one
This
who
game is
hasn't been
basically
shackled
just a
up
big
with.
revenge
Gotta find him. Before
shooting
it's too late.
after being infected with
Blade,
HIV,
alright?
go on a massacre.
Blade. Blade.
From what I can tell so far.
Oh, Blade.
Ah, there it is.
You think I'm such a naughty, naughty girl. Such a microcosmic view. I'm a visionary, Blade. I will change the world.
I see 2 visionaries right there, dog. Staring right at me.
You gonna be able to keep it together, Blade? You go passing out, and there's gonna be questions I don't have answers for.
There's nothing like good old-fashioned 2008 titties. 2008 graphics titties.
Roger that. You're a little out of your jurisdiction. Where's your documentation?
What do you mean documentation? Screw you, cowboy. We're on assignment.
Documentation.
I don't think that's any of your business.
Yeah, you
This is a
pervert.
Syntech-controlled sector. Everything is our business. Now, what is your destination?
South corner of fuck and you.
That must be the government if everything's their business.
Take me.
You all right, Blade?
I'm alright. Give me the gun already. Man.
Listen, Blade, I called in a couple of favors. There's a guy in there, Garrison. He'll find us a way into the U4 lab. You can trust him. Everyone else, though, I'd keep your eyes open.
I can't open the. Oh, I can open the
I know what
sunroof.
you guys are up to, and you're
Nice,
both
dude.
out of your minds.
What's it to you,
is
JC?
the
We went
party
through a
scene
lot
right
to
here,
get that
dog.
tracker planted. Besides, they shot Blade up with something.
Right, that is exactly why you need to bring him back to HQ now.
We don't have time for that. This may be our only chance to stop Roddick.
Jessica, you're endangering his life.
Shut it, Skeeve. I'm doing everything I can.
I don't know
You
how
have
you
no
getting
warrant, you have
to
no
the
proof,
front
you have no
seat and the
backup,
back
and you're
seat
going
so
into a
fast.
Freeport City demilitarized zone.
Magic, dude.
There's
I'm a
better
wizard.
ways, rookie.
This is my call. You want to help? Start lining up some backup.
God damn it, will you just listen to me for 1 second?
Sorry, we're losing you. Sorry, Blade. I know you and JC
Yeah, thanks
have
for
a
hanging
lot of
up on my
history,
best
but
bud
he's
there,
wrong.
friend.
He
I don't
doesn't know
even know
Roddick. He doesn't know what kind of
JD is
man
my
he is.
man, bro.
Not like I do.
Look, it's a homeless guy.
Your only chance is to find Roddick.
Just go bother him.
There's
That's
just
what I'm
no
gonna
time
do.
for anything
I'm gonna
else.
go bother him. Just go throw octaves
There's no
at him.
way they're gonna let you in there with a gun. I'm gonna hide the car and find a backup position. in case
Yeah, I
anyone wants to
appreciate you
start
not
some
sending
shit.
me in there with a
Like I
gun.
said,
This is
you can
clearly an
trust
ambush,
Garrison.
dog. Look
Good
at
luck,
this place. The shipping container place. This is where they bring all the illegals. Oh. Ah, I almost made it. Dang.
Okay, Blade. Let's check.
I wonder if it saved right there. As she was driving away. Did it? Because if it did... Oh, I could beat her out. Ah, it didn't let me through. I had to try.
Okay, Blade. Let's check the comm channels and optic feed. Once that's online, I'll see what you see. I don't want to risk losing you in there. When I give you the signal, we'll do a frequency lock. Okay. Locking frequencies now. Communication seems solid, Blade.
Can't hear the homeless man over your stupid phone call, ladies. What did you say? Did you hear what he said? Yeah, I could speedrun this game because it lets you bunny hop.
Where's Lenny?
Bro. I just had an idea. Oh, you ready for this, dude? I'm a master bee hopper. Oops. Bee hopping my way into the... There we go.
Hey, over here!
Hey, over here! Oh, yeah!
Get over here! We don't got all day!
Just open the thing, you creep.
The boss ain't a big fan of firearms.
I'm not a big fan of you. That guy, I mean, not you, sir. I'm obviously a big fan of you.
Colonel John.
Colonel J. Custer.
I was beginning to think you weren't going to show. I'm a businessman, Blade, despite my reputation. I may not be a shining example of Freeport citizenry, but I always try to maintain some sense of decency. What that man's doing, well,
Giving
let's
people
just say
AIDS.
for the moment, you and I, our goals coincide.
Damn, look at that.
You want
meaty
Roddick,
hand.
I'll give him to you.
That's a gripper right there, dude.
Roddick's base of operations is
Really surprisingly well modeled for a Half-Life
sprawls
2
like a
engine.
parasite throughout the innards of that derelict
Yeah.
tanker. The facility's a fortress. Roddick's mercenaries watch every entrance. A frontal assault would be suicide.
I like
even for
those
you.
odds.
It's a bit of a trek, straight through Roddick's territory. You'll need to get past the lighthouse and through the power plant to get to the lower entrance. Once inside, though, you'll need it.
Once inside, you'll be right at my mother's house.
You hear
Hey.
that? Martin, that bastard set us up.
Not Martin. Oh, I can push this thing.
Alert! Alert! Alert!
Time to go. Oh my god. She's going. Ah!
Wow, you didn't get hit that time.
Because I'm a pro. That time, dude, I didn't get hit last time either. I don't know what you're talking about.
You didn't get hit that last
Talking
time.
shit, dude. Trying to get wrecked. You trying to throw down?
Maybe.
I'm just speed running this. Oh, nice. What's going on,
Over
yellow
here,
pants?
come on.
Look like Bumblebee, the Transformers.
We've been set up, Blade.
No
Roddick's got the entire
shit.
place surrounded.
They're shooting at me. What gave you that
Damn,
idea that
you
it
look
was
all
a
kinds of
setup?
beat up. Here.
Well, thanks for
ammo
the no
for it.
ammo.
Looks like there's a med station back there. Clean yourself up. Blade, if it's out, you need to replace the regenibiotic
Stuff
canister.
right there,
There's
dude.
probably a couple on the racks over there. Just
Just
grab the canister
albuterol.
and take it back to the med station. Once it's in place, you should be able to use it.
Do not directly inhale or ingest chemicals, kids.
I'm
Or
gonna
your
try and
stomach
contact
will look like
dispatch.
that.
I hate to admit it, but JC was right. This was a bad idea. We've got to get an evac out of here.
Your whole life was a bad idea, dog. You just fucked
Dispatch.
us. We're gonna die.
Dispatch, this is
because of
Unit
you.
Foxtrot 9. We need
There's
an
2 of
emergency
us and
evac
like 50
now.
of them, and we have 10 whole bullets.
What the hell are you talking about? No, look, I don't give a shit about jurisdiction. We need an evac. Oh, shit. Dispatch. Dispatch.
Yes.
Blade, dispatch has their
Politics.
panties in a wad. Syntax pulling all sorts of jurisdictional crap. Short version, we'll see an evac sometime
That
next
massive
week.
zipper, dude, hiding her
Shit.
massive dong.
That's
right
not
there.
gonna hold them long.
You had the key for the door the whole time? Why did you make me go through the
You
window?
go on ahead, see if you can get into the lab. I'm gonna head back to the car and see if
Yeah,
I can
you go
establish
back
an
to the
uplink
car
with
and
JC
go get us
directly.
some pizza,
He'll get us
dog.
out of here. I'll meet back up with you as soon as I can. Keep yourself alive, Blade.
It's Papa's melon, dude. Bro. Got it. That was embarrassing. Look at that. Dude's melon popped. Oh. They did him dirty, dude. He has to live that death every day for eternity in this game. Look at that. That's his only purpose, is to get ran over by that car. Yeah. Damn, I didn't know I knew karate. Sorry, I have a lot of energy. They know me by name, dude. They really want me dead. Oh.
Nice.
I'm almost back
Yeah,
to the
keep
car.
him busy. Dies.
Marks are
Really.
everywhere. It's gonna be tough to find a way into that lab.
Got him. Just tried to headbutt me. Now your mop water's all over the ground. And your shit's mine. And your... Oh. God, there's so many of them over there. Oh. Is there a different way? Is that the way I went last time? Shit. I guess it is the only way. Is there any health in it? Oh, it's, fire. It's locked. It really didn't take us very long to get back to this point, did it? That was actually a lot
Nope.
quicker than I thought. Ow. Oh. These iron sights are weird. Kind of useful though. Oh, thanks for leaving it unlocked for me, homies. Oh, I don't drink them. Oh. Oh, he's on fire. He's like that chick on the metro the other week. Did you see that video?
No.
A Mexican dude just like set a chick on fire while she was asleep, and she just stood there burning because she couldn't register what had happened
Hey,
by the
Blade.
time
Jessica
they burned her
finally
to
got the
death.
uplink established.
It was
Guess she's
disgusting
not
to
as
watch.
useless
And
as
even
you thought.
the dude was filming it, and while he was filming it, the dude walked up and fanned the flames. It's like, bro, why would you just stand there and let that person burn to death in front of you? What the fuck is wrong with you? Sorry. I know that was random, but I just thought about it, and it still makes me angry because they were just sitting there videotaping her. Nobody went to help her. Not a single person. They just stood there and watched it, and it was disgusting.
Yeah.
I hope whoever videotaped it is in hell right now, because they deserve it. They didn't even help, bro. Humanity is fucked. I didn't mean for that to get that deep here on video. Shit, dude. We are such a society that it hurts. Oh! I tried to headbutt me. Damn. You guys should use better armor, bro. This gun just puts him down. That guy didn't even know what hit him. Is there no reason to shoot that? I just turned their power off on accident. Oops. Somebody was in the middle of making a YouTube video in there, and their power just went out. Oh. Damn, that caught me off guard. I forgot that happens.
Bingo, we have contact.
Bingo?
They're all dead.
Damn, dude. That was his last words. Don't be like those guys, folks. Syntax disaster. City block disappears overnight. What the shit? Supremacy Tower. Damn, these must be like dictators or something in this weird world. I don't know the story behind this game. I didn't play the original. Maybe I should go back and play that one, because it's apparently pretty good. But nothing beats the sword. That is so satisfying. The paper towel. Oh my god. I thought you guys were supposed to be the police here. Oh, that guy with a shotgun. I want that. I want that so bad, dude. Bruh. Oh, this changes the game. Ooh, the iron sets are ugly. I bet this thing punches though. I missed it. Nice. Oh man, only 2 shells left. Jetpack dude's about to get it. Oh, that dude's got a machine gun. Oh, he didn't drop it though. That sucks. Oh, you know what? These guys, the better I did, the better they got. Now they have shotguns and helmets. You notice that? That's cool. That's pretty interesting. So many more dudes too. Oh. Well, didn't survive that. Jeez. I wonder if I have like a slow motion ability or something, because there's like a bar at the bottom left on my thing. I'm not really understanding what that's supposed to be.
Maybe.
Nope, I don't see a key. I guess it's just supposed to glow and look pretty. There is a key.
Maybe it's just stamina.
Boss,
sprint.
JC here.
Yeah.
Look, we got a problem. Syntech is
Maybe
all
that's
over
what it
this
was
place.
intended to be or something.
JC? Shit, the uplink's been severed. Blade, go on ahead. I'll go try and re-establish contact.
Oh, the robot thing. Oh god, it's hitting the boxes everywhere. I thought it was about to murk me with that. Oh, that worked. That was cool. Dang, this might just be a long play, dude. I might just beat the game. Because it's not very long. Unfortunately. I wish it were, because it's great. I need some health, dude. And some shotgun ammo. Boy, I killed your reinforcements. That dude just stood there and watched his friends die. He didn't even help. He was like that. He was like that dude watching that chick burn to death. He was just like, nah, I'm good. Just gonna videotape it. Can't wait to post this on the internet and get likes. Dude, we live in a society, bro. Oh crap. You like fire grenades? Oh, he headbutted me? Oh, he killed me. I got headbutted to death, dude. He didn't even shoot me. He said, nah, fam, I'm just gonna beat you to death with my own skull.
He got you.
I got him, dude. He's got so much more throw strength than Gordon does. Their pistols look so much cooler than mine, dude. I don't want this one. I want theirs. Oh, this time he helped. Oh, no, he didn't. Dude, my fingers are so cold right now. Oh my god.
Aww.
Oh man, I just got murked again. All the way back here. The game's gonna start making them easy now because I'm giving my butt kicks. Those guys just came out of the ceiling. This is their building. Why would they do that? That dude just crawled to the air vents for that moment, just to die there. He's like, don't worry, boys, I got him.
Yeah, gotta keep him busy somehow when you're at work, right?
Yeah. I feel like I'm shooting grade schoolers right now. They're so easy to kill. In regards to their intelligence, I mean. They just stand out there and shoot. They're like, they just stand out in the open. How do I get in there? I'm gonna be on the list, dude, if I'm not already.
Yeah, I wouldn't put that one on. I wouldn't put that part
I'll
on
cut
there.
that. Oh god, I'm gonna get murdered again. I gotta stop running in that room. There's so many of them in there. You and me, he says. Alright, how about you and some fire grenades, dude? I'll just burn you to death. Oh shit! Ah! Oh, did you see? I caught it, but I panicked and dropped it.
Nice.
Oh my god. Hot potato, bro. This is such a weird, creepy looking office. Getting out of here, boys. I don't know if this is the way I'm supposed to go, but this is the way I'm going.
There we go, Blade. Connection reestablished.
I don't think that was it.
That was it. I just missed.
I have confirmation backup. He's killing us all.
Whoa, that's gross. Where did they get that texture from? They must
Probably
have popped
made
some dude's
themselves.
skull open.
Two types of people.
Oh, there we go. I thought it was locked. I'm gonna save right here.
Let's go. Grenade!
These guys know me my name. They really hate this dude I'm playing as.
Still here, Blade.
There we go, Blade. Connection reestablished. JC's back online.
I should have landed in the water. Oh, okay.